Hi guys, in this video I want to present to you a hair giveaway sponsored by Allove Hair in April, and there are 3 winners in this giveaway and they will be announced on the 29th of this month. Okay, the first winner in this giveaway is gonna get 3 bundles of Bodywave. Don't miss out. The second winner is gonna get $40 coupon, and then the third winner will get $15 coupon, all from Allove Hair. Okay guys, how do you win this wonderful gift from Allove Hair? Firstly, you have to follow Allove Hair on social media. Secondly, you need to DM your phone number and your email, and thirdly, you need to tag all your friends under this post. Okay, the more friends you tag, the higher your chances of winning. Please, there should be no duplication, 1 friend at a time. If you duplicate, it is going to be counted as 1. Okay, so check description box for more details. Love you all.